Now, the next item in the agenda is statutory resolution and commercial division and commercial appellate division of High Court Bill 2015 to be discussed together. To be discussed together.
Day after tomorrow, but not today.
Resignation of the finance minister.
Now, statutory resolution or commerce. No, there is a decision. No, listen. Leaders of lead. No. There is a decision. No, see, Hari Prasad, Mr. Khan, there is a commitment that we will pass 6 bills. There is a commitment. Your leaders have agreed that 6 bills will be passed. Yes, Badanorji, what are you speaking? Mr. Badanor, VP Simba, yes. Bolo, what are you saying?
Juvenile one. Take the juvenile one if they are objecting to this one.
Yes, sir.
Take the juvenile one.
Yeah.
They will not object to it.
In that case,
Instead of tomorrow, today. Sir, take the
why don't you
juvenile
say
one.
that?
Take the juvenile one, sir.
No,
Let's
see,
take the juvenile one first. Sir, take the juvenile one first, sir.
I will have to do that.
Yes.
Now listen. No. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Please listen. Listen. अब जरा सुनिए. First you listen. You first listen to me. Let me have my say. Let me have my say. No, please. Let me have my say. I am not thrusting upon anything on you, on any member. But I am only pointing out a fact. That is, number one, yesterday the leaders have agreed, but between 2 and 4 p.m. we will take up bills and discuss and pass. That is one commitment. That commitment was before the Honorable Chairman. Of course, I was also there. All the leaders were there. Now, my request is that commitment is a solemn commitment. Please don't violate that. Up to 4 we can take the bills. Number two. Now please, let me complete. Number 2, if you are not agreeing for taking the statutory resolution, then let us take juvenile bill now and pass it. So, no, this is violation of commitment.
What you said about the all-party meeting is correct. All of us have agreed.
You were also there.
Sir, I was also there.
So that commitment is to be honored.
Sir, please one second.
Yeah.
All of us agreed.
Ah.
All of us agreed saying that there are these bills that we will cooperate in passing.
6
And,
bills.
and 6 bills.
Now
And
one more added by
please,
the House.
sir, please listen to me,
okay.
sir. Please. And we said in the next 3 days we'll do that. And in the using that decision, that agreement, the government has brought this list of business. We have committed, we have fulfilled our commitment, what we gave at the all-party meeting by passing these 2 things today. So therefore now, if you want to bring in supplementary, why don't you list them, sir? I raised this in the morning. Your listed business is over.
Listed is, no, it is there.
Yeah.
Listed is statutory is there. It is listed. It is
you
listed.
said-
4th item.
Sir, 6
No.
bills.
Fourth. I am taking the 4th item in the list of business.
Sir,
No, please. It is listed.
sir,
It is listed.
juvenile has not been listed.
No, I am. Then we will take up this 4th item. Juvenile, okay, we agreed we will take up tomorrow. That is agreed to. But this is listed, that's what I am saying. Statutory is listed.
तो लाया यार।
No, juvenile is supplementary, I agree. And we all agree to take it up tomorrow morning, no problem. But the third one, the fourth item is listed.
सर लिस्ट में कमर्शियल कोर्ट लिस्टेड है,
हाँ, it is listed.
कमर्शियल कोर्ट लिस्टेड
It
है,
is listed.
आर्बिट्रेशन एंड कंसलेशन लिस्टेड है और
Fully
जुलाई
agree
जस्टिस
with
लिस्ट
Mr.
हो गया है।
Yechuri and also my other colleagues, Mr. Derek and all, Mayawati ji is here and Samajwadi Party leader is here and there are other party leaders, DMK and AIDMK and NCP and everybody is here. Sir, we had earmarked 3 hours for SC/ST bill. That means if there would have been a discussion, it would have started 2 o'clock and ended 5 o'clock. But we have shown our efficiency, capacity, capability and cooperation that we have done 3 hours job in 2 minutes. So we should not be penalized. So we have fully complied with our commitment. And our commitment is over a period of three days. Is the first day we have passed 2 bills, 3 bills. We have passed. So that shows how capable honorable members of parliament. We have fully complied that. So then we have not gone back to our commitment. Thank you.
सर थोड़ा सा हिम्मत और कर लीजिए, थोड़ा सा हिम्मत और कर लीजिए।
Yes, Yechuri, Mr. Yechuri. Mr. Yechuri.
थोड़ी सी हिम्मत और कर लीजिए।
Mike.
4 issues of public importance. We had agreed for 4 issues of public importance. At the same meeting, 1 minute, at the same meeting, sir, that you are referring to, we had agreed to discuss 4 issues of public importance. We had agreed to discuss price rise and inflation. We had agreed to discuss the drought situation, floods, and the agrarian crisis. We had agreed to discuss on intolerance. We had agreed to discuss on the motion that is pending before you regarding the governor of Arunachal Pradesh. All these things we had agreed.
After 4
So,
p.m.
sir,
every day we will take.
Sir, please, if you are referring to our agreement on the bills, why don't you refer to these issues also?
Yes, certainly.
Bring one of them for discussion.
No, it is at
Well,
4.
bring intolerance for discussion, sir. Bring price rise for discussion.
No, Yechuri ji.
Sir.
No, Yechuri ji, no. See, you have slightly deviated from the, or slightly, I wouldn't say deliberately, there is some deviation. The deviation is that, decision is that from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., we will take up bills. 4 p.m. onwards, we will take up discussions, and we may sit beyond 6 p.m. and even beyond 7 p.m. and complete the discussion. That is the decision. And today, short duration discussion is enlisted. Supplementary item has come on to raise a discussion on the serious situation arising out due to floods and drought in the country. So it is already
Sir,
today.
sir.
Tomorrow we will have another subject.
Please.
Wednesday also one
Please,
subject.
Please, 1 minute.
Yeah, it is there.
Wait. From 2 to 4, we had agreed and we have passed 3 bills. 3 legislative business we have done. Don't penalize for our efficiency now. What had to be done till 4 o'clock, we have finished at 2:30. So start the discussion now.
On what?
Start on that flood situation and the drought, etc. That's supplementary agenda. Sir, yeah. Sir. Yo, the government is ready to start the discussion. Arunachal, और करो.
सर 2 to 4 लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस के लिए तय हुआ था। नहीं अभी कहाँ हुआ, अभी तो इसमें ऑलरेडी लिस्टेड है। इसलिए जो है वो जिन इश्यूज पे अभी जो है वो बाढ़ के बारे में डिस्कशन का तय हुआ है, हम तैयार हैं उसके लिए भी। लेकिन 2 से 4 बजे तक तो लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस पूरा हो जाए। थोड़ी हिम्मत और करें, 1-2 और पास कर लें, क्योंकि बहुत नुकसान हुआ है।
थोड़ा सा दिल बड़ा कर दो आप।
माननीय मंत्री महोदय, हमें प्रोवोक कर रहे हैं अभी कि हम जल्दी से लेजिस्लेशन पास ना करें। आप ये कह रहे हो कि जल्दी से पास हो गए तो इस वजह से और ले लो। हमने कहा जो हमने माना वो पास हो
हम
गए
तो कह
भाई।
रहे हैं और जल्दी करिए।
तो चर्चा कराइए
हम
ना।
तो और जल्द चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं। हम कहाँ चर्चा से भाग रहे हैं?
कराओ मंत्री।
हम तो कोई चर्चा से नहीं भाग रहे हैं। हम चाहते हैं चर्चा भी
कैसे हो रहा?
होनी
मंत्री कहाँ
चाहिए
है?
और बिजनेस भी होना चाहिए।
मंत्री का
Yes, Keshav
4 बजे
मंत्री का
Rao, please. Yes, Keshav Rao, what is that you have to say?
होम मिनिस्टर इज हियर।
Keshav Rao, please.
We decided in the meeting that we will take up 6 bills, 3 days. Now, if you divide them, they become 2 each. What Mr. Yechuri says, that day also he said, it is not much of the debate, it is more of politics. Why create confusion? Let us take this, we'll finish by 5 o'clock. The discussion on drought and the floods. So the 2 bills, tomorrow we'll take 2 minutes, day after tomorrow another 2 minutes.
6 bills in total.
Why confusion, sir?
What is the way out? What do we do? Because the decision is 2 to 4 bill. Decision is chairman. See, in a meeting presided over by honorable chairman, decision was taken that bill will be taken up between 2 and 4. So that is a solemn decision. Yes, yes, बोलिए.
बोलो बोलो बोलो
हाथ वाले.
बोलो बोलो ये रहा चलो
सर सारे शेड्यूल कास्ट और शेड्यूल ट्राइब
वो हो गया, पास हो गया.
अमेंडमेंट बिल के संबंध में बोलना था, लेकिन ये कांग्रेस वाले बहुत हंगामा कर रहे हैं, देश का भारी नुकसान कर रहे हैं, और इसीलिए मतलब कांग्रेस के 20 मेंबर को सस्पेंड करो. अरे हर रोज अगर इसी तरह का हंगामा करेंगे, पैसा बर्बाद करेंगे, तो ये बात अच्छी नहीं है सर. ये सब लोगों को सस्पेंड करो. हाउस का
House is adjourned up to 3 p.m.
चर्चा करने के लिए आए हैं.